Instagram message notifications not showing up? Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Instagram message notifications are not showing up. Now, the first thing is make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app so that it's not a bug or a glitch. Now, if you are updated and the problem still continues, head over to your phone settings. You can scroll down the notification bar and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find the settings option. Now, tap on it and go ahead to settings and scroll down and search for apps. You'll find the option apps. Go ahead to your apps management or apps on the phone that you have on the settings, and here you can either scroll down and search for Instagram, but the easier way you'll be go ahead to search bar and search for Instagram. Now open it, and here you'll find the option notifications. You can see that my notifications are blocked here. So open it and make sure the allow notifications button on the side is toggled on. Now once you do this, you can allow notifications and vibrations, and if you go scroll down a bit below you'll find notification categories. You can select the categories of notifications that you wanna have and don't have, so this way you can enable Instagram message notifications if it's not showing up. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.